Hello guys, welcome back once again. Today I'm back with another video, and it's about a new feature that has been introduced in WhatsApp, and I would like to show you. So let's begin. We open your WhatsApp. Okay, so you open your WhatsApp, and the new features that they have introduced is you can now play audios on the background of your end. So let me show you and see what I'm talking about. So let's take for example this one. Let me download this audio. So let's wait. I'm downloading it so you can check what I'm talking about. So it has finished downloading. So let's see. So this is the video, and let me go back and you see what I'm talking about. You see, it is still down. It is still playing in the background. You can see it is still playing in the background. You can pause it. You can pause it and be doing your thing, and it can be also be playing at the background. So we can open, and it will open in the group for you. And this is the first one, and the other one too is, you see, at first, if you are doing an audio recording for someone, you would have to press on the record button for a long time and record. But now, what you supposed to do, but now you can just press it. Whenever you want, and you do it again. Pause it. You can pause it too. You can also delete it. You can pause and listen to what you are saying, and if you want to continue, or you delete it. That one is also another one. And the last one I want to show you is they have increased the number of people that can be in a group. You know, at first it was 257 people, but now it is more than 257. You see, in this group, as you can see, the group is containing 407 participants, but at first it was only 257 people that can be in a group. So that's the new thing they have introduced in WhatsApp. And another one is, you can you can open a group and come here. You can change, when you are doing a recording, you can change your voice to a teenager or a robot or baby, or your preferred one here. You can change it. And also, you can go to the first message of the group, since the group was founded, it was created. You can go to the first message of that group. Let's see, here's it. Go to first message, you click on that, and it will send you see it will send you to the first message that was posted in the group. You see, this is the first message in February 10th 2022. So, and this is the last message to today. So you come here, the three dots here, and you come to go to first message, and it will open for you. So that's the new things they have introduced in the new WhatsApp. But this is for GB WhatsApp. But I definitely know that it also works on the normal WhatsApp that we've been using. So thanks for watching the video. See you another time. Bye.